Hi, executive team. My name is Faye, and today I'm presenting a new interactive dashboard design specifically to help Netflix leadership monitor and improve our mobile app experience. And we will be looking at how we can use natural language processing to proactively prevent the subscriber churn. The primary purpose of this dashboard is to give the C-suite a clear, intuitive tool to understand the customer sentiment without needing to look at the raw data or complex code. And the key strategic question this dashboard answers is what specific technical issues are causing our users to cancel and how can we predict it? By answering this, leadership can allocate engineering resources much more effectively. To make our assignment to machine learning models accessible, I translated complex technical metrics into a high-level, executive-friendly output. Instead of looking at the TF IDF arrows, the dashboard opens with three clear KPIs. The 4,000 reviews analyzed, our current dissatisfaction rate of 51.2%, and our model detection rate. I framed our model's recall metric as the detection rate, which sits at an impressive 94.4%. So executives immediately understand that our API successfully catch 94.4% of truly unhappy at risk users. To help the leadership quickly identify the major drivers of customer dissatisfaction, I included a dashboard module showing the relative impact of specific keywords. This visualization is appropriate for a non-technical audience because it simply just shows which words drive the highest churn risk. And as you can see, functional words like working, phone, and keeps are massive drivers, and providing that our users are frustrated by technical bugs, not the content library itself. A static report isn't enough for strategic planning, so I implemented interactive features alongside rating distributions. And this allowed the executives to dynamically filter thousands of reviews to isolate specifically segments. For example, mapping 1 star and versus 5 star reviews. And this interactivity supports the decision making by letting leadership quickly drill down into the data to see if a recent app update caused a spike in negative sentiment. Well, to communicate our model's result in an interpretable way, I built a live predictive engine directly into the dashboard. And executives can type into a hypothetical or real user review, and the dashboard immediately output a prediction. For example, when a user complains that the app keeps loading and the brightness is blinding, the system flags it in red with 90.7% confidence as a high churn risk, and it then automatically recommends routing to Tier 2 support. And this provides a leadership that the model works in a live environment. So, how can Netflix executives use this dashboard to guide decision? First, engineering leaders can look at our key drivers and immediately prioritize fixing the brightness UI bug and then optimizing the offline downloads. Second, operation leaders can use this predictive engine to automatically route high-risk negative review directly to Tier 2 technical support before the user decided to cancel their subscription. And finally, it is important to understand that the strengths and limitation of this tool in a business content. Its greatest strength is interpretability. It turns unstructured text into a clear, actionable metrics for the leadership. However, a limitation is that the dataset lacks device-level metadata, so we don't know if these bugs are specific to the iOS or Android. And additionally, we are using App Store rating as a proxy for dissatisfaction rather than actual subscription cancellation log. And thank you for your time.